In the last two lessons, Mauricio and Emily investigated different ways to find the area of new gardens, which they created by either increasing the length of an original garden by some unknown amount, or decreasing the length of an original garden by some unknown amount. In this lesson, Emily and Mauricio will increase both the length and the width of a garden by the same unknown amount. Then, they will use different methods to find the area of the new garden. This will help them meet the goal of this lesson, which is to generalize and compare methods for finding the area when both the length and width are increased by an unknown amount. But first, they make sense of a situation where the length and the width of a garden is increased by a specific amount, 2 meters.
Ariana has a tomato garden that is 7 meters long and 3 meters wide. She wants to increase both lengths of the width of the garden by 2 meters.
By the way, what's a meter?
A meter.
Do you guys know what a meter is?
It's like longer than a foot, right?
It's longer than
It's like
a foot.
a foot and a half.
Even longer. Have you
2
seen
feet?
a meter in school?
Nah.
Have you seen a yardstick
Yeah.
before? Can you use your hands to stretch out like what a yardstick is?
Like right here.
Yeah, a meter's just a little bit longer than that.
Yeah.
So we're just going to use a different measurement this time. Instead of feet, we're going to use a metric unit. Can you read the part in blue, Emily?
What will the area of Ariana's new garden be? Make a prediction.
Okay, go ahead and predict together.
45.
You say 45?
Mm-hmm. It's going to be 9 and 5.
Wait, what is 7 times? 7 times 2?
Times 2? 14.
Yeah. 14. What is 3 times 6? 6 plus 14? What is 6 plus 14?
Mm,
20.
yeah.
And 7 times 3 is 21?
Mm-hmm.
I say 41.
I heard 2 predictions. So jot down yours, Mauricio. I heard 41, and then I heard yours was different.
45.
45. Let's get both predictions written down.
Wait.
I'll let you solve it in a minute. Just get
14. Then 3 times 2 is 6.
So Emily's is 45 and yours is 41. Emily, how did you think about it?
I added 2 to 7, which is 9. And then 2 to 3, which is 5. And then I multiplied 9
Oh,
times 5.
so you already started to solve it. And what was you seemed like you had a different way that you were thinking of it.
I did 7 times 2.
Why did you do 7 times 2?
Because you're adding to like, it's gonna be like, you're gonna go down 7 meters.
Okay.
And then it's like, then I did 3 times 2, which is 6, and then I just added them. 14 plus 6, 20. And I added 7 times 3, which is 21, plus 20, and that equals 41.
What do you think he's trying to do, Emily?
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know.
It feels like he has an image of a garden that you're trying to find different areas.
Yeah.
And it seems like you took a little bit different approach.
Rather than making a prediction, Emily and Mauricio both started calculating the area of the new garden. Emily used the area formula, length times width. She first found the length of the new garden by adding the length of Ariana's original garden to the increase in length. 7 plus 2 is 9 meters. Then she added the width of Ariana's original garden to the increase. 3 plus 2 is 5 meters. Finally, she multiplied 9 by 5 to get an area of 45 meters squared. Mauricio used a different method. He multiplied the length of Ariana's original garden by the increase in width, 7 times 2. Then he multiplied the width of Ariana's original garden by the increase in length, 3 times 2. Finally, he multiplied the length and width of Ariana's original garden, 7 times 3. Finding that sum gave him 41 meters squared. But Mauricio's calculation of 41 meters squared didn't quite match Emily's calculation of 45. What do you think happened? It will help if they make a drawing to find the area of the new garden. That's what they do in the next episode.